Hello, Sam here, editor of Oracle Time, and today I'm here with Japan's latest clean-cut, artisanal export, the Minase 5 windows. Originally founded as a cutting tool manufacturer, sexy, I know, Minase decided to use their precision expertise in watch case making, handling some pretty impressive creations. Obviously though, they thought they could do better, hence Minase, the watch brand. Their metalworking expertise is obvious at a glance. With multifaceted stainless steel cases, salaz or black polish to a near Grand Seiko level of obsession, off-kilter construction and superb attention to detail, there's a lot to love. The model we have here though is the 5 windows, which gets its name from its sapphire case sides. There's a lot to take in here. For one, Minase has managed to fit a circular peg into a square hole with their case-in-case construction, with dial and movement bolted into the outer case by 4 screws. This makes the corners of the case completely see-through, with the dial suspended in the middle. Throw in the sapphire case sides, front and back, and you have a watch that's architectural to an extreme. It's probably not for everyone, it's neither Hublot levels of in-your-face watchmaking, nor is it in any way subtle, but it's impressively executed. The finer details are just as impressive. The multifaceted indexes are colour-matched to the dial, a lovely steel blue, and the deeply cut, dual-level, high-contrast date window is easier to read than I feel it should be. Even the crown is machined into a kind of overworked flawlessness. There is a lot less going on with the movement, which is a reliable, if unremarkable, ETA 2824 automatic number. It's nice to be able to see it from all sides, but it'd be better if there were more to look at. There's not even the usual custom rotor here. But then again, Minase is a case specialist, not a movement maker. For now at least. The 5 windows is water resistant to 50 meters, so don't get it wet, but otherwise it's a solid piece of metal. The curved case sits nicely on the wrist, and despite its 38 by 46.5mm size, it doesn't feel oversized, in good part thanks to its lack of lugs. Set on a bracelet with yet more phenomenally well-machined links, a good number of brands could learn from what Minase is doing. Personally though, I think the 5 windows loses something when compared to the circular Minase Davido, the concave sides of which perfectly illustrate the incredibly sharp finishing they're capable of. The flat sapphire just has less of a wow factor. Otherwise, there's generally not much out there quite like this watch. Price-wise, you're looking at 4,570 Swiss francs, or just over £4,000. For an ETA movement with a unique, flawlessly finished case, I reckon that's about right. It's certainly not an impulse buy, but get the 5 windows on your wrist and it might get close. For now, Minase might not be the biggest thing to come out of Japan since Godzilla, but give them some time and they may well be giving some of the sumo heavyweights a run for their money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for all the latest watch news and reviews, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see us cover next.